A big conversation I have with students every year is order of operation. Does it really matter? Well, yes, it does. We need to first go over what GMDOS means. Remember, the G stands for your groups. That means like your parentheses, brackets, and braces. And then you have your exponents, your multiplication, division. Those are put together, whichever comes first, and addition and subtraction. Think about it kind of like a staircase. To get to one step, you got to go through the other. Now here I have three identical problems, but as you see here, it's 3 times 8 plus 4 squared divided by 2, but I'm going to change each one of them up just ever so slightly. So let's work out the original one. I have no group, so I hop to my exponent, which is 4 squared, which is 16. I cross out what I did. I bring everything else down that I haven't used. I have no more exponents, so now I look at multiplication, division. My multiplication comes first. 3 times 8 is 24. I bring everything else down. Do I have any more multiplication or division? Yes, I have division. That is 16 divided by 2, which gets me the answer of 8. Bring down everything else that I have not used, and 24 plus 8 is 32. Now, as I said in the other video, it kind of ends up making like a Dorito chip because you're taking stuff out every single step of the way. Now, that answer was 32. If I go to this problem, and the only thing I change is my grouping, I'll do it in a different color, say this green. If I group these two together, watch how different it makes the problem. I'm going with my group. Do I have any? Yes, I have my parentheses. I look inside. I see a 4 squared. Do that. 16. Bring everything else down I haven't used. I'm not done with my parentheses yet. Okay, I'm still inside my parentheses. What's next? 8 plus 16. Well, 8 plus 16, that'll give me 24. I bring down everything else I haven't used. Okay, now I have 3 times 24. That's a big number. 3 times 4 is 12. Carry the 1. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1, 72. Divided by 2. And then 72 divided by 2, that's 36. And if I look at my Dorito chip here, I don't have the answer of 32. I have the answer of 36 just by changing the grouping. But what if I change the grouping into something even different? Let's say I put a set of, let's do it in blue. Just the brackets around. Then inside the brackets, I'll put my parentheses, so I need to do that first. So zooming on in. I'm zoomed in as I can get. I look inside my brackets, then I look inside my parentheses. I do my exponent first. 4 squared is 16. Cross out what I just did. And I bring everything else down to, still not done with that, not done with that, not done with the 8 plus, and not done with the 3 times. I'm still in my bracket, I'm still in my parentheses. 16 divided by 2 is 8. I'm done with my parentheses now. Bring down everything I haven't used. Now I'm in my brackets. 8 plus 8 is 16. Done with that now. Bring down this, and then what is 3 times 16? 3 times 6 is 18. Carry the 1. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 48. And in this Dorito chip, get the answer of 48. So yeah, it does. Look at my different colors. Look at my different work. Each one of these, even though I start out with the same problem, will give me a different answer. Always remember, it's like a stair step. Start with your groups. Brackets, braces, parentheses, then go to your exponents, then multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. But I just wanted to give you a video of yes, it does matter the order.